I came to Biospine because I had fallen down a flight of stairs and herniated 4 discs in my neck and injured my low back. I didn't have an everyday life. It was constant pain shooting down my arm, numbness in 2 of my 5 fingers on my right side, pain. If I did anything around the house after a couple of hours, I would basically be in bed for a day or 2 because it would hurt so bad that I just could not do anything. I mean, my neck procedure, when I got done, the first thing that I said when I woke up was the pain was gone. It was a lifesaver. After my back surgery just a couple of weeks ago, they did tell me it would hurt more than my neck, and it did, but it's not anywhere close to the same amount of pain that I had before. And today I feel great. I'm able to walk, I'm able to do things with my kids lightly. I can't bend or twist anything right now, but I can already tell it's a significant improvement. Numbness in my feet have come back, so it's a gigantic improvement. I would absolutely recommend Biospine, and I would recommend Biospine because of the professionalism. Dr. Ronzo specifically, I don't know what I would do without him. He's very personable. He makes me feel comfortable. The bedside manner is there. You feel like you're part of his family instead of just a patient.